Good afternoon. These are the 35 glossary of forest ecology. Number 1 is abiotic. The non-living components of ecosystem. Number 2 is abiotic factors. The number of organism in a given population. Number 3 is abundance. The number of organism in a given population. Number 4 is acid. A substance with a pH less than 7 due to prevent hydrogen ions. Number 5 is adaptation. Adaptation is how living things change to survive in a particular environment. Number 6 is aeroplankton. Aeroplankton is a tiny organisms living in the atmosphere. Number 7 is alkaline. pH over 7, also called basic, neutralizes acid when combined chemically. Number 8 is allogenic. Allogenic is originating outside. Number 9 is alpha diversity. The variety of organism in a given habitat or location. Number 10 is altern. Altern plant communities that alternately occupy a territory. Number 11 is atmospheric disposition. Atmospheric disposition is contamination of land or water. Or water by atmospheric pollutants. Number 12 is autogenic. Autogenic is originating from within a system. Number 13 is background extension rate. The natural rate of extension for a species. Number 14 is benthic. Organism living on the sea floor. Number 15 is biocenosis. The interacting organism living together in a habitat. Number 16 is biodegradable. Resinable by bacteria. Number 17 is biomass. The total dry wet per unit area of living matter. Number 18 is biome. A community of plants and animals that occupy a distinct region. Number 19 is biotype. Biotype, an environmentally uniform area. Number 20, blue-green. A blue-green algae. The old term for cyanobacteria. Number 21 is botanical pesticide. One derived from plant chemical. Number 22 is carbon. An element whose atom have 6 protons and 6 electrons. Number 23, carbon. Carbon zinc. Anything that absorb more carbon than it release. Number 24 is competitive. Competitive exclusion, where one species competes another. Ento extension. Number 25 is composting. Enriching a soil nutrition by adding decompose organic matter. Number 26, density. The measure of the population in a defined area. Number 27 is depression, a low pressure system. Number 28 is detrivores, consumers that feed on the garbage of an ecosystem. Number 29 is journal, active during daytime. Number 30 is exotic species, those not native to an ecosystem. Number 31 is extirpated, a species that no longer lives where it used to. Number 32 is hierarchical, arranged according to ranks. Number 33 is hydroponics, growing plants without soil. Number 34 is hydrophyte, organism that in water habitats. Number 35 is nocturnal. Nocturnal is an organism that is active at night.